Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rashapi da ke rupa, ringkat bat ke orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Hadian bakila pendap ya ke Jinghikai ke Jongki, lingba ke program Aspire Meghalaya, bala penyan da ke Avenue Shillong, palat Syahajar ngut ki Samla Pule Jongki School, mat college prepare ke West Khasi Hills District Jong ke Jilla, kila yo ya ke Pynkup Burom, ha ke Jingalang ke bala long ha Utirot Singh Memorial Hall Mairang. Hakan ni kesini layadon lang Menteri Katnat Puli Putih Jong ke Sarkar Jilla Uma Lakman Remboy, USDO ke Mairang Civil Subdivision, Uba Alat Sonong Said, Ushongknor Jong ke State Expert Appraisal Committee, Naba Bahata Charaji, Principal ke Mairang Presbyterian Science College, Uba Royal Thank You, Lembat Kiway Kinang Shakot Skobha. Ki program bala penchong kun hakan nikaski ki kinthop ya ka Jingrai bala penkrek kerpang da ka St. Thomas Higher Secondary School, Tirot Singh Memorial College, Khatsopra College, but Mairang Presbyterian Science College. Kabala Jer Sound of Survival. Ki way ki Samla Pule ki la say ya la ka sab ka phong kum ka Rose Carson Teo but Christine Saukme kum joro ki Jingpen Bernya na ki Samla Pule kum Ustef Thaba na Mairang Presbyterian Science College ka Balasiu Doring ta thiang but Sita Mary Karmo Phalang na Khatsopra College. U Victory Paul Basayo Mind na Utirot Singh Memorial College but ka Queen Basayo Mind na St. Thomas Higher Secondary School. Kum manchikdaw hangne ka Aspire Meghalaya kadai ka Jinghikai ka pa arpo kinta ha ka soft skills, life coaching but ki baya day ha ka rukom na ka benta ki Khynnah bapule na do class 6 ha do class 9 but ru ki bapule higher secondary school but college. Ya ka Aspire Meghalaya la Kershan da ka Ministry of Tribal Affairs lingba katna Department of Arts and Culture jong ka Sarkar but kabala penya da ka Avenue Shillong.
Each one of us do have an aspiration. We do aspire for something. And yes, the motto what Mark said, I will, I can, that should be your motto. It should be always a positive thinking on your part. This program goes into your skill development thing. It goes into boosting your personality development. It goes into bringing the introvert out of you and making you into an extrovert. The government, the Election Commission of India will launch a program which is called the Electoral Voter Participation. From the 1st of September to the 30th of September. Okay. During these 30 days, the Election Commission wants that each and every voter, okay, each and every person who has an epic, he should come forward and check whether his epic is correct or not, whether the name in his epic is correct or not, whether the name of his father or mother, whether the date of birth is correct or not, whether the address is correct or not. Okay, all the details in the epic card has to be verified within these 30 days. Okay, so I urge upon each and every one of you to pass on the message or check your own epic card whether there is any missing details. My message to you is that just please pass on this message to each and everyone who has an epic to check their epic and kindly get it rectified within these 30 days.
My dear student, life is beautiful. Life is full of opportunity. It depends upon you and me how we want to live our life. Yes, we from the rural area, sometimes we think that the opportunity is not there. Sometimes we think is that, oh, we are lagging behind. But when I see what you are performing today, what testimony you are giving today, you are second to none. You are unique in your own self. When we call this Aspire Meghalaya, what is Meghalaya? Meghalaya is you. You my young student, my young youth of today, you are Meghalaya. Where is the boundary of Meghalaya? The boundary of Meghalaya is our body. A lot of employment opportunity. I used to say that you are the master of your own destiny. God bless you. So many things which neither of us has in you. It depends upon you how you nurture the uniqueness in you. It depends upon you how you are imbibed with your surrounding. So what it is very, very important, it is keep yourself in a positive circle. Think positive and have a positive mindset. That is a very, very important. So positive mindset, positive thought, I think is the panacea of everything. So let us live life to the fullest with a positive mindset and positive thought. You have to relearn. You have to re-educate yourself. These 4 pillars will be your strength. These will be the strength of your way forward. Skilling, reskilling, educate, re-educate, invent and reinvent yourself. Remember, nobody could invent your cue.
Sir, this course teaches the students how do we think about our fears, about our beliefs, about our values. And our values are, say it with me, I trust you, but I trust myself. I respect you, but I respect myself too. And I will be brave. These values, sir, lead to how we feel. So the course is also about our emotions. When we feel negative, when we feel positive, how do we deal with these emotions? Because when you go out into the world, when people look at you and tell you you can't do it, you have to be brave and still do what you have to do. Right? Yes. The third thing, sir, that we work on is the way they communicate and the way they connect with other people.
This is definitely a defining moment in your life and career. This training which has been imparted to you is not an end by itself, but it is your empowerment. Don't take it as a 1-month training, but it is a milestone. You might have seen a milestone on the road to Nongstoin which says Nongstoin is 59 kilometers. That milestone does not move. The vehicles move. These milestones show the way. Similarly, avenues is one of the milestones in your career. Building your career, giving you confidence, and I tell you, our boys and girls in Meghalaya is similar, no less, but better than many from the mainland. You can, you will, you can do it. What you need is the fine-tuning which is imparted and inculcated to you by avenues. But please, my earnest request, what you have learned, you need to practice. That will make you better citizens. You are the torch bearers, and nothing comes easy in life. Every training, every good teaching has to be taken up and used in life. You see, you're the managing director of Avenues, Mr. Mark. I will not speak much, but all of you know what he is doing today for the student community. And if you see his career, he has also put in a lot of struggle and hard work. Our chief guest here, boldness, none of us come from families who gave us a golden spoon. All of us worked hard and we are not doing too bad. Similarly, all of you must have the confidence, and I could see that this training has worked wonders. But use it. Use it in your daily life, and you will see that in your career, as you go ahead, you will leave all behind. I can assure you that. Today also, in today's world, what we say, the end justifies the means. Means what? Somehow, by manipulating, by some other means, by nepotism, somehow you reach your goal or your dream or halfway to it. But I feel, and I think many of you will agree, that if your means are good, if your means are sound, if your means are committed, the end is bound to be good. The journey may be tough, but finally you will be successful if you take up the right means.
So coincidentally, I think we are very fortunate. We have our Managing Director Avenue, Mark, because I feel that our state is on the crossroad. Here he comes with the avenues for all of us, particularly the student community.